heart. I'm so thankful to Nagabyo. I stayed here for 45 long years, sir. Including my schooling. And I can still remember nang ginagawa yung old admin, I was playing there in the dust. Ayan. Today, I'm 100% certified farmer. And I would like to invite you, if you are free, to visit my place, for you to climb up a tree at magpatihulog. May I request, Sir ano? I'm too thankful to Nagabyo. Nagabyo, you helped me grow. Naalala ko, hindi ako marunong magturo, Ma'am Zenny, ng multigrade. Grade 1, 2, and 3. Pabalik-balik ako sa kanya. Mama, 15 minutes pa lang tapos ko na yung lesson ko. Ma'am, paano ba ito pinakabahaba? So, siya yung nagturo sa akin. I don't know how to teach. But then, I grow here. I have a lot of challenges here, but the Lord taught me a lot of lessons. Kung noon, dinasti ko ang patient ko, ngayon ay dinasti ko pa rin. But, feel ko, hindi naman ako matanda. Parang mas lumakas ako nung na-approve. Sir, parang mas lumakas ako nung na-approve yung aking application for retirement, sir. Parang ang saya. And, I will not be leaving Nagabyo. Damo pa rin ako dito sa Nagabyo. I will be seeing you. And you will be teaching me as well. Of those things